We are pleased to show you the 2018 Sonic. The taut, strong body lines and powerful stance of Chevy Sonic allude to the power you'll find under its hood. Throw a little extra power into the mix with the available turbocharged engine. So where's the sweet spot? Behind the wheel. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, stability control, daytime running lights, remote engine start, remote power door locks, front license plate bracket, rear wiper, Bluetooth, cruise control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.